Okay, Iron Maiden. Oh, let's see if we can be clean about this. Kanaka Ōiwi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but just practicing today. Kanaka Ōiwi territory. This is Iron Maiden trail. Just outside of Kailua, Oahu, Hawaii. Oh. Yeah, normally we could ride this, but man, it is so, I don't even know if I can walk down this. It is, the soil here is gorgeous, but it's just got such a heavy clay base, makes everything so slick. We can ride that normally, no problem. Back home. Oh. Okay, I gotta remember, lay off the front brake. Iron Maiden. Blue downhill. Greasy. It's like 10% front brake, 100% rear. Be prepared to slide. Oh man, wow. We cleared that nicely. Oh, I'm sliding out. There we go. There we go. Oh. Oh. Nice. Oh, this would be a killer trail. There's a bit more. Getting schooled by the guy. He's had all the training. Oh, oh, oh. The other challenge with the trail being so clay packed is your tires get loaded. Hit a feature like this and very little grip. Ooh. Jungle overgrown here. Ooh. Oh, the smell is phenomenal. Iron Maiden. Oh. I mean, somebody probably can, but I can't. Oh, yeah. Mud on wet roots. Clay. Take clay. Iron Maiden continues. Yeah, I just got slipped up on a root. That's what happened there. What? Yeah, those. Whoa, these bikes are heavy. Loaded up with clay and batteries. Okay. Okay, keep talking about how easy it is to bite it. There's an example. Oh man, I would love to have had a little more flex not to get out today, but schedule. Oh, there's even some nice features to hit. Sadly, think it's supposed to rain even more tomorrow. Oh, this is a gorgeous trail. Oh, more downward facing routes. What could go wrong? Oh, drifting. If we are causing any damage to these trails, my sincere condolences, appreciations. Make a donation to the trail group here, thanking them. We could not cancel this. It's been fun. I don't think it's causing too much traffic. Should mellow out. Oh, it'd be more like this. Oh. That is just wild.
Horrible. I can't ride at all. I'm just slipping all over the place.
Okay, here we go. Iron Maiden. This would be a really fantastic trail. I think it's one of the higher rated ones here, and I can see why. But bone dry. Pretty critical. Yeah, look at that. Stay on that. Iron Maiden. Road crossing. Oh man, I love this trail. Yeah, this is the best trail yet so far for us. This is a bit of a test to stay light on the pedals. Ooh. So little control over these routes. Let's see. Oy. There we go, there we go. Oh, damn. Did you make it down there? Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna walk / slide. I feel like I'm gonna end up on my butt. Ooh. Whoa. Jungle ride. Oh. Shit. Wow. Mountain bike shoes. Not exactly known for their traction. Oh. It's dicey. Okay, we're almost out. We're making our way down the ridge here. Hopefully the rest of this trail's kind to us. Ooh. Kanaka Ōiwi territory. Iron Maiden. Nice.
That's terrible.
Okay, now this is the ride out. Back to the road from Iron Maiden. Back down to the access road. Ooh. Wild. Jungle riding. Wild roosters in the background. Wow, look at that. That looks fun.
Yeah.
Someone's built some dirt jumps here. Okay, here we go. This is the ride out to the road right here. And that'll take us back to our car. Boom.